boy MercX7712. I got you a video today of me playing on Newtown, and what I'm using is a fucking shoddy red dot long barrel. It's not what I usually wear, but I'm using it this game. And I have C4 attack and surgeon. I'm running UAV counter and VSET. And I wanted to save this video because I was going off with this shotgun. Like, this is why shotguns should be banned, dude. I was hip firing everybody, just going mayhem on everybody. We didn't win, but I was fucking shit up. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you watch the gameplay. Oh yeah, and that guy kept challenging me with a shotgun, because last game he fucked everybody with a shotgun. So I was like, alright, I'll use a shotgun too, I'll do a lot better than you. And then so I fucking destroyed him. No hope at all. I hit a collateral somewhere in this video. And I am getting a capture card, or a game capture card, or a Voxio sometime soon. I still don't know. But I'm definitely getting one because I'm getting too much good videos, and I gotta be showing this on my YouTube channel. Yay. That's how I roll. Can't remember the play. Like, there was this thing I was just going off. I can't remember. Shit, what was I doing to that? Oh, this is the spot right here. I was going off. I got wrecked. Dude, I was hip firing like a monster. Like, I was unstoppable with just... I don't even aim in. I just hip fire and fucking destroy shit. Like, I don't know. Hip firing's my thing. Keep dying on that steepest stairs. I get a little bit more kills here, but then that will lead me into it. Yeah, that really hits it right there. This is the final scoreboard, but we lost. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. I love you. Marry me?